Hey everybody, welcome. Today we're going over the top 5 coolest archaeological discoveries that uncovered some mysteries. And make sure to wait until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing things I have ever seen. So, number 10, ancient Viking artifacts. Many ancient Viking artifacts were found by archaeologists in Norway. Due to artifacts that were found, it suggests that the mountains were used to travel across and not avoided. Many of the artifacts were able to be found recently due to climate change. Many of the items that were frozen and uncovered due to climate change were frozen in the ice before. Number 9. Female warriors in Russia, Mongolia, and Peru. It turns out that men weren't the only exclusive hunters back many years ago. There were recent discoveries of the bones of female warriors and their weapons. A few of these warriors seem to be populated in areas of southern Russia. Number 8. Terracotta Army. The Terracotta Army is a series of terracotta sculptures that display the armies of China's first emperor. It contains approximately 8,000 soldiers, 520 horses, and 130 chariots. These armies are important to observe as they can tell us the clothing the army wore and the type of weapons that were used within the army. Eastern Island Moai. At this point, everyone has seen an image of one of these pictures, but do you understand what they actually are? These are 887 large structures that are found on Easter Island, which is a Chilean island. They are a tribute to the Rapa Nui people. They were created using something called tuff, which is solid volcanic ash, however it's very soft. Due to it being pretty soft, it was pretty easy to carve by hand, and they are most likely used to represent ancestors that were worshipped and are apparently buried underneath. And the last one is the polished stone tools. Yeah, these are probably not the most exciting things that you were expecting, but these polished stone tools are really cool because these stone tools such as axes tell us that these tools were used for more than just cutting down trees and clearing forests. They could have been used for social prestige as well. There were even a few examples of tools that were too heavy to carry, which suggests these tools are also used as social prestige and for the owner to brag about, rather than just cutting down trees.